We'll guide you through how to download and install mods in Minecraft 1.21.4. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods can really go and enhance and change the game experience, so let's get started. What we need to do is first of all quit Minecraft like so. Now what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. You may already have some mods in mind that you want. If you do, you can go and head to them. Otherwise, a great site I like to use is called CurseForge. Loads of different mods there, so come to curseforge.com. We can go and select Minecraft and press Browse All at the top. So in this case, I'm going to set the game version to 1.21.4, and then we can go and scroll through and go and find a mod that we want. Let's go and say I want to get Zero's minimap. I can go and click here and we can then read about it. It's a really useful mod, and we can then go and press Files. So what we want to do is make sure the game version is for 1.21.4. And in this case, we're going to be using the Forge mod loader. You can use others, but we're focusing on Forge in this guide. So press the three dots to the right and press download file. Now shortly it will go and start downloading. After it has, we can go and start getting more mods. In this case, I'll just do the one in this example. But if you get any more mods, make sure they're for the same version. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description and you can check them out. They've got many great features, for example 24/7 servers and support, and also DDoS protection and so many other things as well, like instant setup so you can get playing as soon as you go and get your server. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down below and you can go and check them out. So after you've got the mods you want to go and install, what we need to do is go and get Forge. That is the mod loader we're using. Go and search for it and make sure you head to the official site, which is files.minecraftforge.net. Now come over to the left and make sure you select 1.21.4. And what we can then do is, in this case, download the latest one. So I'll go and press installer and you're going to be brought to an ad wall. Just be aware this is an ad. So the download button is for the ad. To go and get Forge, you need to click the skip button in the top right. Then that will go and download. Now we've downloaded what we need to, so we can come out of here and we can go and open up our file explorer. So come to the bottom, you can right click on it and press downloads or just navigate to it. Now what you need to do is go and first of all install Forge. So let's go and double click on the installer. It should go and open up like this. If it doesn't, this is likely to be a problem with Java. So what you need to do is come and open up your web browser again and you need to head to java.com. Once you're here, you can click on download Java for desktops and then you can click download Java, download it and install it. Then what you can do is come and return to your downloads, find Forge and right click on it, hover over open with and click choose another app. Select Java and select always and it will then go and run hopefully. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. Now you can select install client and go and press OK, and it should then go and successfully install. Now you can come to the bottom and click on search and type in Minecraft. At the top, you need to click on installations in the launcher and scroll down and go and find Forge. Here it is. Hover your cursor over it and you can press on the folder to the right and it will go and open up. Now you need to go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Now we can drag and drop the mods in here. So if I hover over the file explorer, I'll click on my downloads and then we can go and drag and drop the mod in like so. Now you've installed it. So what you can do is then hover over Forge and go and click play and it's going to start. If I look in the bottom left, we can go and see Forge and mods are loaded. You can click mods and go and see the mods you've gone and got. I've just got the minimap one. Here we are in the world. You can see the mod in the top left. So that's it.